This video is going to show you how you're going to use Coggle to create a mind map or brainstorm web. First thing you need to do is sign up. You'll be using your sign in with Google. We'll take that information. I'm going to actually sign in. I already created an account. And now you're all set to make a diagram. So you're going to click on the plus for Create Diagram. First thing you're going to do is share this with your group members. So here, next to your icon, you'll see this plus sign. If you click on that and you invite, send an email here, okay, and click send, it'll send an email to the person that you want to share it with. So when you want to start making your diagram, it starts off by giving you your first box. So this one is going to be about things in the tiny house. And in each box that is added, you can add text, you can add a link to another website, you can add an image, or you can add an icon. So if you find an icon, just a picture, instead of typing out the words, you can do that. So when you click out, now you'll see that there's plus boxes where you can add the different branches. So you can click, and in this one you have the same options again: text, link, image, or icon. So I'll say kitchen. If you keep clicking, and you fill up those 4 and you want more, if you just click, it'll bring out more from those branches. So now if you keep clicking and you see that these two kind of cross over, and you don't want that, you want to make it a little clearer, maybe you want to move this. Okay. If you click out of the box and then hover over, you'll see this plus sign, and then you can click and drag it where you want. So maybe it makes more sense here. Okay. Click in the box to type what you want. If you want an icon, let's say I'm going to put a fireplace. So we'll put an icon for your fireplace. Okay, I'll actually put that there for you. And there's your icon. Okay, so you can put it either as words or an icon, but make sure if you're using icons that it's clear what it's for. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So then when you are ready to share this Coggle, so you need to get the link to put it into your notebook so I can view it. You're going to click on share. Okay, can everyone view this diagram? Yes, I want to make it viewable. Okay, so it becomes a public diagram. Okay, because we just made it, it needs to get a new link. So I'm going to click on public diagram. I'm going to go back to share. And hit new link. Now you can copy this link. You can highlight it and do Control-C, or you can hit this copy icon. And that's where you're going to paste that link into your student notebook. The other thing, when you have invited people, okay, so their icons show up here, so you can make it so that they can be authors as well. So for your group, you are going to make everyone an author because you're all going to be able to edit and create. If you ever use this in your future and you just want somebody to view it, you can make it a read-only so that they can't change it. Okay? Or read and just make a copy, and then they could change their copy. Okay? But everyone for the group is going to be an author, so you can all add to it. Okay? Each of you is going to get that link and put it into your student notebook for me to be able to view it. And that's how you use Coggle.